Thank you for scheduling your Primal Movement Assessment. In this video, we are going to explain to you how to correctly film your movement assessment.
For your movement assessment, we will need to see some important bony landmarks of your body. We need to see your feet, ankles, and kneecaps. So please wear shorts and kick off your socks and shoes. For women, we recommend wearing a tank top or sports bra. For men, we recommend wearing a tank top or please remove your shirt.
To film your assessment, please set up your phone or camera at chest height. Position yourself so we can see your entire body in the camera, all the way down from your feet to the top of your head. We will start by filming your posture and mobility.
Start by facing the camera in your natural standing posture. Then turn 90 degrees to your right so we can see your side profile. Turn one more time so that we see your back, and one final turn so that we can see and assess your entire standing posture.
Next, we are going to assess your mobility in your deep squat and forward fold. Start by facing the camera and perform the deepest squat you can. Return to standing and pause. Then complete your deepest forward fold. You will then repeat this movement facing all directions of the compass, just like you did for the standing assessment.
Make sure you have at least a 15-yard space for this portion of the assessment. Begin by walking directly away from the camera and then turn and walk back towards the camera. Next, we will assess your fastest running gait. Make sure to have at least a 30-yard space for this portion of the assessment. Begin by sprinting directly away from the camera, then turn and run back towards the camera.
In this portion, if you have adequate surface like turf or grass, you can choose to be barefoot. If you are on concrete or other hard surfaces, we recommend you wear appropriate running attire. Great job! You have completed the filming of your movement assessment.
Next, send this video to your coach so they can review it.
Thank you again for scheduling your Primal Movement Assessment. We look forward to moving with you.